In a desperate and unjust land, where government corruption rules the day, only one man has the courage to challenge the system and fight back. They call him Iron Monkey. Under the shadow of night, in the silence before dawn, he fights to give hope to the poor and the oppressed. Although no one knows his name, and no one knows where he comes from, his heroism has made him a living legend to the people and a wanted man to the powers that be.
About time you showed up with that.
Now get out of here. We're concentrating on catching the Iron Monkey.
Is it true that those monks are in the shadow?
That's the rumor. No talking. Let's eat.
Come on, move over. Give us some room. Hey, don't go under the bed. Do you want the Iron Monkey to find out that I've got my treasure hidden under there? Now, come on. Get out. Get out of there. Hurry. Come on. Come on, someone's coming. Get in. Wait.
Governor. Sir, Security Chief Wu. I've come with your dinner.
Can't you see I'm busy right now? Leave me alone or I'll deduct 6 months' pay from your salary. Huh?
Sorry, sir.
Hey, someone's on the roof!
It must be Iron Monkey. Get it! Even a little bird can't escape our notice. If Iron Monkey comes, he'll have no chance.
Yeah, we'll
Think so?
Here. Big, get him!
Where'd he go? Where is he?
He's right there! Get him! Wait! He's trying to trick us. Back to your positions. Go on now.
Yes, sir.
Got you now. Ha! Can't escape me.
What kind of monks are you?
Shaolin!
Let's see what you can do. Ah! Why don't you use your head?
Evil will never defeat good.
Are you good? Only a few things can help me corrupt official is good. Ha! Oh no!
Sweetheart, stay here and protect me, please. You know you're my favorite.
I'm getting out of here!
Don't you love me? Get ready. Come here.
Ah, gotcha! Gotcha now! Ha! Here! Here! Hold on!
Let it down. He's gone now, sir.